I know everybody I go like we.
It's good, everyone. It's your girl Jenell back again, and today's video is a video of me basically showing you how I get my hair a nice bright reddish pinkish color from this blackish reddish color here. So I'm just gonna section my hair into 4 parts, this way I can evenly distribute the dye. Next, I'm going to take the Vaseline and put it around the perimeter of my head. This way the dye does not stain my skin. And also, I dyed my hair with a golden blonde color by Dark and Lovely, just so it can make my hair a bit lighter so the red color can take properly. And then I'm going to get my mixing bowl and mix 2 colors together. I'm going to mix the Adore Crimson and Adore Ruby Red together, and it's gonna get a nice reddish pinkish color. And I'm gonna mix it with conditioner. I didn't measure it, I just put, you know, enough so it can do my hair, my whole head. And what I do, I start with the roots and then I make my way up or work my way up to the tips, because I really want to get that effect where it's redder on the top and it goes darker as it gets to the end. So it's like a transition color from like bright to dark. So that's the effect I was really going for, and I think I achieved it. Hey. So I'm just gonna play some music from here. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Send me your location, let's focus on communication, 'cause I just need the time and place. Send me your location, let's ride the vibration. I don't need.
Boom, and my whole head is finished. Oh my god, it looks so good. Look at that. And I'm just gonna take a plastic bag and cover my head with that, secure it with an elastic, and then just leave the dye in for about an hour, hour and a half, maybe even 2 hours. Who knows? I'll just do a whole bunch of stuff, maybe clean, do some errands, you know, around the house. So this is 2 days later actually. After I rinsed out the dye, I dried it till it was damp, not too dry, and then I retwisted my hair and did some braids so I can get a braid out. So this is the results, the finished look. Oh my god, I am loving it. Like, the color is just, it fits my skin so well. I love this color. It's my first time ever going a bright color like this, and I succeeded without bleaching my locks. So Adore, you get like 2 thumbs up from me. I will be using your products way more often. What's going on with me? Like, I feel like I can't talk today. Like, whoa, you know, like, love it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.